Hello, welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I am scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder and CEO of Pabnasoft. Only 1 lakh taka Python Django shopping website, Pabnasoft Python Django based shopping website, only 1 lakh taka. Any company can buy this shopping website and can use for his online business. This is the best shopping website I have created for online business, digital marketing. Any company can buy this website, Python Django based shopping website, only 1 lakh taka. How to use this Python Django shopping website? I will tell everyone. Please listen the lecture clearly and how to use the online shopping website Python Django. Any company can use this shopping website for online business, offline business, and here many payment method. It is very easy payment method. Any Bkash, Nagod, Tap, Rocket, online bank payment. You can give the payment you have to go payment information here. Give Bkash personal number, Bkash merchant, Tap personal, Nagod personal, Rocket personal, bank account Raj Bangla Bank Limited, account name Pabnasoft, branch name Matual Konapara Dhaka, bank account known this. So anyone can use this payment method for shopping by Pabnasoft shop, but you have to give the payment these different numbers, and you have to put the transaction number on online order. At first you have to register of this site, so you will register. So you have to give first name Abdul Khalek, K-H-A-L-E-K, Khalek, Khalek, username Khalek at the rate of gmail.com. Password I have given password, confirm password. Okay, user created successfully. Okay, now I will back to home page and log in this site. So I have created the Khalek username, so I will give Khalek, K-A-L-E-K, Khalek, and I will give password for login. So I am giving password for login. I have given password. Now I will log in the site, and Khalek, the username is Khalek. Have login. Now I can give order. Now I can give order, so I will give order now. This is order. Order I will give order. Print I will give print order. Username I have to select username that I have created, Khalek, and product I have to select print. So print quantity to and payment bikash. Okay, I have to give address Hajinagar Sharulia Damra Dhaka, phone number 01718, and tax transaction ID that have created by bikash payment. I have to give the transaction ID for online payment, bikash or nagad or tap or merchant account or wire transfer, bank wire transfer method. You have to give transaction ID for this online payment. Order is created, one order created, that pant 1000 taka, 2000 taka, and shipping charge 200 taka, tax 15% 330 taka, and total cost 2530 taka. And continue shopping, I have to click continue shopping. So I have to click shopping, and this is the home page. I will buy one Core i3 computer, so user Khaled, Core i3 computer, select and one, and the payment tab payment, and address same address, Hajinagar Sharulia Damra Dhaka, phone number and tax ID TXT 897. Okay, order 2 created. This is Core i3 computer, created 20,000 taka, Hajinagar Sharulia Damra, payment type tap, transaction ID 897, and I can delete from here. Delete option is here. Update, I can update the product also. Update order, it return to get multi-purpose printer. Update option, shopping, shopping, here, and this product, children days, cash payment, and this TXT 0. Okay, order created, 3 order, and total price 25,875 taka, that I have to give by cash payment. Yes, this is update, order update, I can change the order here. Shirt update order. Okay, updated order. I can update this is product is updated. Cash payment. Okay, 500 taka, 300 taka. Yes. Okay, we have two products. Order created. Okay. This is yes. But you cannot give order without registration. Now you can check print one order by cash. No, Dhaka, Dhaka, phone transaction ID TX banks bank থেকে payment bank account wire transfer. Okay, wire transfer and transaction ID TXT 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and give order is created. Okay, but no, order not created because you are not scientist. Username Khaled. When you will create the order by Khaled user, order will create shirt bank wire transfer Dhalmundi, phone number transaction ID TXT 8976. Okay. Order created 5 order increase, and this order created because the registered username Khaled. Other user will not give order because this security reason. Your username, you have to register this site for giving order. You have to must register for giving order. So you have to go register page and have to register of this site and username and password. You will log in, then you can use this site and give order. Total order 27,025 taka. One order 20,000 taka. One order 300 taka. One order 500 taka. One order 500 taka, and one order 1,000. Quantity 2. This is total order here, and total items 5. Here quantity, here address, phone number for delivery product. This is the object. Have to give user address and phone number for delivery the product. This is very good website for online business and offline business. You have to inventory management system. You can manage inventory management system. You can manage point of sale and so many inventory management system, and this is the online store management system. Any company can buy this software for online business. It is very easy, and any person can give order online by mobile or laptop or desktop computer by internet, and they can use more and more payment method here. Payment method use cash, bcash, tap, rocket, nogod, visa card, mastercard, credit card, bank account transfer, wire transfer. Now when you will complete your order, you check out, and then you have to log out this site. Log out. Okay, log out has completed of this site, and you can now the new user can register this site and log in, and then you use and give order by this site. Thank you very much everybody. Welcome to Pabnasoft Python Django shopping website. This is only 1 lakh taka Python Django shopping website. Anyone can buy. Pabnasoft International Research Center. Scientist engineer Muhammad Abul Fazal is the founder and CEO of Pabnasoft, and he has created this site by Python and Django framework. He is a specialist Python and Django framework. Anyone can ask any question by video, and please like and subscribe my channel for getting new and free video. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center, and welcome to my channel Scientist Engineer Muhammad Abul Fazal. Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center.